Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called WebDecode. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is web exploitation. The task is to find a flag by using the web inspector. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and here is the challenge WebDecode. Let's read through the description. Do you know how to use the web inspector? And then we need to launch the instance. Start searching here to find a flag. And here we have a very attractive looking homepage. So let's browse this by using the inspect tools here, or we can just view the whole page. View page source. I don't see anything particularly interesting here on the start page, so let's navigate. Let's go to About. Try inspecting the page, you might find it here. Okay, we can just view the page source again. Here we have something. Looks like it's some sort of encoding. Let's try with CyberChef. Let's try with base64. Okay, here we have found our flag picoCTF web successfully decoded. Let's go back to the challenge and submit a flag. Hooray, we solved the challenge. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.